Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to assemble and repair a Ford Focus shift tower. Alright, so the shift tower has 5 pieces. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. This being the main piece. Okay. Alright, so this piece right here looks like a football yard thingy. You want to put this in there, just like that. See? It's like a little opening right there. You just put it in there. Make sure it's like this. Okay. So what you want to do next is put this piece in here. You want to put it like this. Okay, right there. Then you want to grab the little piece and shove it in there. Shove it like that. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So it should be something like this. See how it's in between? Should it like that. Okay. Alright, and the last part, you want to take this and you want to shove it in the hole. It's like a hole. You want to put it in there. This is going to be the hardest part, is getting the pull through all the holes. So you just have to play around with the parts until they all fit. Alright, so here's what it looks like when everything is together. The pull can do that. Parts are in there. Okay. Alright, and you see this right here? This thingy? You have to line it up with this part right here. So you have to do it like that. So then you should be able to it's like that. Okay? Okay. And you see this hole right there? You want to align that so you can see through it. And that's where you're going to put the bolt. Alright? So just, if you can't see through, just move the pole around so you can see through it like that. And but make sure this is good too. Alright, so I'm gonna go from this side, and that's where I'm gonna put the bolt. Okay. Let's see if I can. So it's gonna go in. Okay, it's in the hole. It's in there. Should look like that. Alright, once you have the bolt in there, you want to get a washer. This is a split washer and a hex nut. You're gonna put the sizes in the description, so you just do this. Make sure that's in there. I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm trying my best here. So make sure it's in there, and get the nut, and put it on. Just go like that. Okay, and tighten it. You just do this. Put it in, and go like that. So I do this. I turn it, but at the same time, I'll hold my finger there. And while I hold my finger there, that's when I turn it. It's kind of hard to do with one hand trying to record this, but you get the idea. So just put your finger there, then just turn it. Turn it this way. Alright? Alright, so there it is. It's tightened. And to make sure it works, let's play with it. So just play around with it. Should make a noise. Yep, if you hear that, it's good to go. Oh, watch out. My fucking finger. Yep. And again, make sure that these two are touching, because that's neutral right there. Make sure we can do this, okay? Alrighty, so then, after that, all you gotta do is put it back in the transmission and try it out. Alright, so after putting everything back together, it should sound something like this. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth, and reverse. Okay? Sounds good. Now the real test is to drive it, and I'm about to do that right now. I didn't show like how to put everything back together, and that's because there's videos showing how to do all that. This video was mostly just to show you about the shift tower. But yeah, let's see how it drives. Alright, so I just finished driving, and it drives good. No problems at all with shifting. Hopefully this video helps you out in some way. It's kind of hard because I was recording it by myself. You know, I had to put the phone in my lap and try to put it together with my hands. But yeah, I'll post everything in the description where I got the parts and stuff. Yeah, but hopefully this bolt will last a while, because the last bolt I put, it just broke while I was driving, and I just lost all my gears. So yeah, hopefully this bolt will last a long time. I mean, it's pretty high grade. It's 12.9. That's pretty high. But yeah, thanks for watching.